Question. Find the sum of GP 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015, and so on up to 20 terms. Here, first term of GP A is equal to 0.15. Common ratio R is equal to second term upon first term. 0.015 upon 0.15 is equal to 0.1, which is less than 1. Therefore, we will use the formula for sum AS is equal to A 1 minus R raised to the power n 1 minus R, putting the value of A, R and n. Number of terms n is equal to 20. A is 0.15, R is 0.1, power n is 20 upon 1 minus R, 1 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.15, 1 minus 0.1 power 20 raised to the power 20 upon 0.9. We can solve this. 0.15 can be written as 15 upon 100. 0.9 can be written as 9 upon 10. 3 3s are 3 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 1 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 6 1 minus 0.1 power 20. Answer. Question. Find the sum of AP root 7, root 21, 3 root 7, and so on up to n terms. Here, first term of GP. A is equal to root 7. Common ratio R is equal to second term upon first term. Root 21 upon root 7. This can be written as root 21 upon 7 is equal to root 3. 7 1s are 7 3s are, which is greater than 1. Therefore, we will use sum Sn is equal to A R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1, putting the value of A and R. A is root 7, R is root 3, power n, number of terms is n minus 1, R minus 1, root 3 minus 1. Rationalizing denominator, multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1. Root 7, root 3 plus 1, root 3 power n minus 1 upon a minus b, a plus b का फार्मूला यूज किया, a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू रूट 7 बाई 2, रूट 3 प्लस 1, रूट 3 पावर n माइनस 1. आंसर. क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द सम ऑफ GP 1 माइनस a स्क्वायर माइनस a क्यूब and so on n terms if a is not equal to minus 1. Here, first term of GP a is equal to 1. Common ratio R is equal to second term upon first term. माइनस ए अपॉन 1 इज इक्वल टू माइनस ए इज नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस 1 which is less than 1. Therefore, sum Sn is equal to a capital A 1 minus r power n upon 1 minus r. Putting the value of capital A r, capital A first term is 1, r is minus a power n, number of terms is n, minus a is equal to 1 को हटा दिया 1 माइनस a पावर n अपॉन 1 प्लस a. आंसर क्वेश्चन फाइंड द सम x क्यूब कामा x रेज़ टू द पावर 5 कामा x रेज़ टू द पावर 7 कामा एंड सो ऑन अप टू n terms. X is not equal to plus minus 1. Here first term of GP is x power 3 x cube. Common ratio R is equal to second term upon first term x raised to the power 5 upon x cube is equal to x power 2 x square. X is not equal to plus minus 1. Sum Sn is equal to a 1 minus r power n upon 1 minus r. Putting the values of a and r. A is x cube, r is x square power n 1 minus x square, x cube 1 माइनस x पावर 2n. ये दोनों एक्सपेरेंट मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. आंसर क्वेश्चन इवेल्युएट सिग्मा 2 प्लस 3 रेज़ टू द पावर k where k varies 1 to 11. k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 11. Put k is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 11. Sigma 2 plus 3 power k is varying from 1 to 11 is equal to, first we will put k is equal to 1, 2 plus 3 power 1. Sigma means summation plus put k is equal to 2, 2 plus 3 square plus 2 plus 3 power 3 plus 2 plus 3 power 4 plus and so on. Last term 2 plus 3 power 11. This can be written as 2 plus 2 plus 2 up to 11 terms. Plus 3 square plus 3 cube plus 3 power 4 up to 11 terms. Sum of 2 11 times is 2 into 11 plus it is GP. Sum is S is equal to a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. First term a is equal to 3 and common ratio r is equal to 3 square upon 3 means a and r both are equal to 3. A is 3, r is 3 power n is 11. 22 plus 3 upon 2 3 power 11 minus 1. Answer. Question. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 39 upon 10 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. किसी GP के पहले 3 पदों का योगफल 39 upon 10 है और उनके गुणनफल 1 है. तो हमें कॉमन रेशियो R निकालना है और टर्म्स निकालना है, GP हमें ज्ञात करना है। लेट द फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स ऑफ AGP A/R AR A/R AR. As per question, their product is 1. A/R into A into AR is equal to 1. RR cancel, A cube is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. As per first condition, sum of 3 terms is 39 upon 10. A/R plus A plus AR is equal to 39 upon 10. Putting the value of A 1. 1/R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 upon 10. LCM 1 plus R square is equal to 39 upon 10. By cross multiplication, 10 1 plus R square is equal to 39R. 10 plus 10R plus 10R square is equal to 39R. 10R square plus 10R plus 10 minus 39R. 10R square minus 29R plus 10 is equal to 0. 10 into 10. We will factorize square coefficient of square term into constant term. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. We will find two numbers such that their product is 100 and their algebraic sum is minus 29. Those terms are minus 25 and minus 4. Splitting middle term in these two terms, 10R square minus 25R minus 4R plus 10 is equal to 0. Taking 5R from these two terms, 2R minus 5. Taking minus 2 common, 2R minus 5 equal to 0. 2R minus 5 common, 5R minus 2 is equal to 0. If 2R minus 5 equal to 0, then 2R is equal to 5, R is equal to 5 upon 2. And if second factor 5R minus 2 equal to 0, 5R is equal to 2, R is equal to 2 upon 5. Taking first value, taking R is equal to 5 by 2. First 3 terms are A is 1 upon 5 by 2, A 1, AR, A is 1 into R is 5 by 2, 2 upon 5, 1 and 5 upon 2. Take R is equal to second value 2 by 5. First 3 terms are 5 by 2, 1, 2 by 5. Answer